Looking for the perfect way to transform your dorm room? From bland to bling, the Tavira Allure college dorm headboards transformed our room. These headboards are designed for twin extra long college dorm beds. They come in a variety of styles and colors. We chose the gold crystal border. Depending on your dorm room, you can get your headboard with or without legs. The legs are super easy to attach and provide additional support for your headboard. Here's how to assemble. There are 2 rows of holes on either side of your headboard. There's 1 row of holes on the wooden plank that comes. Simply measure how tall and wide your bed frame is at school, and then you can line the holes up with one another and start screwing in with the screws that come on the back of your headboard. There comes with enough screws that you can do 4 on either side. You can choose where to place yours. Based on the height, width, and size of my bed frame here at school, I chose to line the wooden holes up with the left-hand holes on the headboard, and I chose these 2 ones and then the top 2 to screw in. Once you have the wooden piece on either side, your headboard is ready to go. However, not all beds need the legs. You can simply wedge the headboard between the wall and your bed frame. With the crystal border, decals, and leather, this headboard will transform your dorm room.
Our space wouldn't be the same without them.